Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We're here 5 days a week. We're here 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Manifest your true intentions. Regardless of what language you speak, your intent will manifest through the word. What you dream, what you feel, and what you really are will be manifested through what? Through what you say each and every day. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 48, NASDAQ down 10, S&P's down 3.5, gold contract down $4.40, trading at $1,268 an ounce. Silver down 4 cents, $17.27 an ounce. Platinum off $2 at $9.76 an ounce. Copper up a penny and a half at $2.13 a pound. Light sweet crude down 74 cents, trading at $49.11 a barrel. Bonds. Okay, so here we go, folks. Notes up 4 ticks, 131.12. Rejected lower price, had lighter volume, notes want higher price. Bonds, 30-year bond, up 2 ticks, 167.21. Also rejected lower price, had lighter volume, bonds want higher price. The note and bond market, folks, is saying no matter what the vote is tomorrow in the UK, bonds yields want to go higher, market wants to go lower. King dollar down 256 ticks, 93.80. King dollar is building cause to get down into its May 3rd swing low of 92. The way it's actually trading, it looks like it wants to run into 88. The euro is trading at $1.12, up 57, and the yen is trading at 104. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You get a failure on price, failure on volume, once again across all the ETF structures and the indices. SPY out here today got to a price point of $209.50. You closed out at 208.10. You had volume of 91 million shares, and you were going against the C point, folks. This is a complex ABC down. You're going against the C point of, which already had light volume, of 109 million. So now you did an additional 20 million lighter. You get a confirmed ABC structure on the way down. Your price projection of that is $204 to $202, which is the swing low from May 19th. The NDX 100, the 3 Qs, same type of setup. Failure on price, failure on volume. What we did in the 3 Qs is this. We got to a price point out here today, there she is, of $108.19. You did 21 million shares versus the 24 million of the C point. Complex ABC down. You already broke the B point, broke it with volume. Price projection on the Qs, 105 to 104, which also is the swing point from the 19th of May. That's where this market wants to trade into. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? And this one's a dicey one, folks. Bottom line, no, gold did reject lower price. It had a close over this 1267.20 area. It made it by $1. 1268.20. We did have dramatically lighter volume. You had 126,000 contracts versus 182,000 contracts from the June 8th area. And the high of the June 8th area, that's where we got this number about the 1267.20. And what gold does have, which is a beautiful thing, is that we have a high volume, high up here at $1,318. So you can expect monster volatility in this market starting 2 o'clock in the morning tonight. 2 o'clock in the morning, Eastern Standard Time, folks, is when the polls open. What is going to happen in Britain is that they can't report at all as soon as the polls do open, but I expect the volatility, the market's going to be reporting because their market will open at 3 in the morning. The bonds and the notes are the ones that basically, well, that are giving us some of the best information. So the 10-year note today rejected lower price. We did 846 846,000 contracts. That's so light, it's amazing, folks. That was going into 1.6 million contracts, okay? So bottom line, that also wants higher price, and we do have a high volume high out here in the notes and in the bonds from the June 16th level, which is 132.22, and right now you're at 131.12 inside the 10-year. Rates, the rate structure right now is at 1.6 in the 10-year. We go over to the 30-year. We take a look at the 30-year. 30-year bond also rejected lower price today. You did 153,000 contracts, and that was coming into, I believe, 276. It was a big number. Yeah, 271. So the metals market, the bond market, the 30-year bond, rather, also did the exact same rejection, which brings your probabilities higher that, guess what, that this market, the bond market, the note market wants higher price, which is lower yield. S&Ps want lower price. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? So King dollar is down 256 ticks. What you also have here, though, is this, is that it's a sideways move. You know, so King dollar has not been releasing a huge amount of information. Meaning the last 3 days, because each and every day it's traded in the same range. Can't hold price, but bottom line, you know, you get sideways moves. That being said, what we do have inside King dollar is this, is that you have the high volume swing low from the 3rd of May. The top of that is 93.08. We've hit 93.50 today. The bottom of that is 92. That's the smaller picture. The larger picture goes like this. If we take this dollar back and we take a look at it, what you're going to see is that this looks that it's been building cause for quite a while, and the cause that it looks like it's been built, well, here, we'll talk about how long it's been building cause. You've been in the same consolidation since February of 2015. You know, we've had 3 lower lows inside the dollar. The first low inside the dollar came May of 2015 at 93.15. The second one came August of 2015 at 92.52, and the third one just came this past May at 91.88. So that little level right there actually sets up a number that can get you down into the highs of the 2008, 2009, and 2010 level, which would be 88. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming back with some more numbers for you. Dow Industrials closed down 48. NASDAQ was off 10. S&P's down 4. We're going to be right back.